Looks good. It's got the right color. Woody, the woodchuck, ate the Brussels sprouts. So this should be my habanero. All habanero. Oh, what's going on? What's that? Project fam, welcome back. I know it's been a long time and a lot has happened. So we're gonna do a self-watering container update. I have a lot of containers. As a matter of fact, I need to count how many self-watering containers I have. So let's get to it. These are the stars. So we have a total of 4. I can't even get this whole plant in. We have a total of 4 tomato plants. They are about 6 feet tall. We have been harvesting tomatoes. See that guy right there? Ooh, he's caught in the act. Look at that. That looks like, is it a Japanese beetle? Whatever it is, let me move it somewhere safe. I had to relocate my friend, and let's see what kind of damage he did. He or she. Look at that. Just went in and just started harvesting my overripe tomatoes. So, note to self, man, pick these tomatoes. So here we go. Look at this. Let's find one to eat. This one looks good. Let's go around here. Let's grab that one. Now, let's see. There it is. Let's see what it tastes like. Looks good. It's got the right color. It's pretty good. I like it. We got a lot over here. This looks pretty good. From 4 plants. Next to it is the okra. We've been harvesting the okra. You can see. Probably harvested earlier today because there is nothing here right now. And I moved some plants around. So this should be my habanero. All habanero. What's going on? What's that? Is that habanero? What's Scotch bonnet? I should know this, right? No, that's habanero. These are all habaneros. No, they're not. Dude, look at that. How can this be all habaneros? Let's find a tag. Oh, look at that. See, someone made a mistake. See that? All habaneros. And there's no way that this is a habanero. So mislabeled. Got away from me, but it's still growing. All right. These are jalapenos, definitely. These look like some type of cayenne, maybe cayenne thin. And what else do we have here? So far, that's that. Let's move on. These peppers. Ooh, whoa. Check it out. That is a soon-to-be red pepper. Red pepper. Right behind it, we have some green peppers. Kind of firm, not ready yet. And then we have our banana peppers. Look at the banana peppers. They even smell good. As a matter of fact, this is actually ripe. Let's eat one. Let's see what this tastes like. So it's not hot yet. So let's let it ripen a little bit more. It tastes like a spicy green pepper, if that makes any sense. And you can see this is our lemon thyme. No one's been harvesting this. The basil looks beautiful. If you don't know what this is, what color is that? No, it's not purple, it's lavender. That is lavender. And the sage is oversaged. Yeah. Over here, we have our Brussels sprouts, and probably the last time I plant Brussels sprouts. Woody, the woodchuck, ate the Brussels sprouts. And over here is our lettuce, or what's left of it. Done. I should just call it the marigold container. Oh, we have two more. We have a pepper container over here, and we have another one over here. So this turned into a full marigold container. I will get some good seeds from that. This romaine lettuce already bolted. Look at that. Get some seeds from that. And I expect the same from collard greens. These will be bolting pretty soon. Yep, nothing to see here. All right, let's go look at these guys that I have not been watering. Chocolate Reaper. There's nothing going on here. As a matter of fact, it's going to start flowering right there. This is my Cayenne Thick. It looks pretty good. The plant is very small. You can tell when a plant does not get a lot of water, it just doesn't give you a lot of vegetation, a lot of vegetables. This is my Chocolate Mint. So this container did absolutely nothing. I'm at the point where I'm ready to get rid of it. It's just picking up space and resources right now. But on the outside we have strawberries, on the inside we have kiwi. This, I'm cutting this down. That turned into be absolutely nothing. We did get good blueberries here, but just for the birds swooped in, and you can tell, look at the soil. Hasn't been getting any water. Over here, same with the mint, same with the lemon balm. So if you're wondering why you didn't get any water, so I'm not sure if you watched the video already, but I have a timer. I have a line that goes over here. It goes around here, behind the plant, and it pops up right here. And every day, this line right here, I have, so this provides water inside the plant. So everything that's on this line is getting adequate water for sure. See this line? It goes all along the back of all of these trays and provides water to all these trays on a regular. I don't even water anymore. All right, Project Fam. There are some new additions to the family. I don't even want to get into it, but I'm just going to show you. Can you guess what this is by the shape of the leaves? Can anybody guess? Any guesses? How about by that? Does anybody know what that is? How about that? These are figs. So we've got two figs over here. Two figs over here. Different types of figs. But they're all plants are already fig producing. So there are figs on all of these plants. Right? Look at that. But these guys over here, oh, they're not playing. They're just fig producing. And I'll tell you what I like about this plant. So it starts off here, but it goes in different directions and different branches, and each one of these branches are already producing figs. Each one. Look at this. This guy is over here. It is almost ripe. So that's what I like about those. So we have 4 new fig plants to the family. I know, started off as 2 turned into 4, but that's it, I'm done. And I'm going to keep them in the pot this year and probably plant 1 when they go dormant. And check out my Meyer Lemons. They're looking like Meyer Limes, but yes, check that out. It's actually doing pretty well. Got some over there too. Nice, nice. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. I just. Oh boy. Like, you want to know how tall this? Oh my gosh. Let's take a step back so you can see what that looks like. So what I need to do with these is I need to trim these So these tomatoes up here, these clusters, can get some more sunlight and also take some of the weight off this bush. So any branch that's going downward like this one, I'm just going to remove. Like this, done. And that's that. So I need to do that for this entire bush, but it is looking pretty good. I mean, I think I see some. Let's taste one. You got one back here? Ooh, 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 ooh. This looks good. All right, let's taste this one. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's give it the outdoor cleaning. Y'all know what the outdoor cleaning is, right? All right, let's see. These are sweet. So these I planted from seeds. You can see how tall it is. Even if I raise my arm, I planted from seeds. They're very tasty. Cherry tomatoes. And you can see, it's got some more goodies right there. So 3 huge plants. Now this is the patio tomato. This one should not grow tall, but you can see it's getting some tomatoes. You got one in there also. Let's see if we can get in there. Yeah, it's hard to get in there, but there are 2 ripened tomatoes there. We have, what is going on with this guy? This guy needs to be up here with his friends. I have to tie that up and get rid of that. All right, you stay over there. You're not gonna stay over there, are you? But if I just, yeah, I'll do that for now because I want to check these out. I remember when I put these in the container, they were actually turning yellow. So let's see. Okay. Hydroponics, hydroponics. Okay. Good nutrient levels. No yellow leaves. And look. That looks like a Scotch bonnet. I'm sorry, that looks like a carrot. No, this is Scotch bonnet. Oh, there's my buddy. He hears me. And that looks like a cayenne thin. Let's check the water level. I could probably add some more nutrients to there. And look at the ginger. Alright, so ginger, nothing, but that's ginger right there. And turmeric, and turmeric. There's a lot going on here. I got some tables I need to move in, but let's focus on the lemon balm. Look at it. The lemon balm is huge. What I need to do is trim these. You smell. Pinch it. Let's see. Wow. Wow, that's fragrant. And look at the raised beds. These are really, really doing well. These guys I planted from seeds. And the sweet mint is doing its sweet thing. And if you didn't know, these are also on a timer. Timer. There we go. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. If you want to know what happened there, check out my hydroponics update. And these guys are looking good. What is that? Does anybody know what that is? Does anyone know what this is? Does that look familiar to anyone right there? Let me see. Is that a good shot? Right there. That is a Carolina Reaper. That's a Reaper. Looks good. These all look good. We've been harvesting the okra. Okra's been doing well. Jalapeno right down the front. See the jalapeno? Looks good. There's some more jalapeno back there. Another jalapeno. These are the okra plants up front. Through here we have our thick cayenne. Let's get a close-up of our thick cayenne. It's looking good. Very nice. Looks pretty good. But yeah, this looks awesome. Wait, habanero. That's a habanero. That is a habanero. Is it a habanero?